How to temporarily deactivate WhatsApp without deleting. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, let me remind you that there is no such way of deactivating account in WhatsApp, but instead you can carry out following steps to get rid of messages and notifications. So first of all, open up settings on a device. Then scroll down and tap on apps. Now go to app management. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom and find WhatsApp. Now tap on WhatsApp. Now tap on Force Stop. Now tap on Manage Notifications. Now simply disable notifications and go back. Now tap on Data Usage. Now disable mobile data and disable Wi-Fi. Now turn off background data and simply go back. Now go back to the home screen. Now once you follow all these steps, this will be equivalent to deactivating your WhatsApp account. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.